Hello, everyone. Today I want to announce something that's really important for the law firm. We are opening a new practice area, and it's called government relations. And what that has to do with is lobbying efforts and communicating with the legislature or different administrative agencies within government when you need to get something done. And I want to introduce one of the newest members of our law firm, Tim Hawkins. He's going to be leading up that effort within the law firm. He's going to tell you some more about his background and why we're doing that, and different aspects of the government relations division of the law firm. So, Tim, take it away.
Thanks, Jeff. Again, Tim Hawkins, undergrad at Indiana University Bloomington, just recently finished the part-time evening program at IU McKinney School of Law in Indianapolis in May, studying for the February bar in 2019. Very privileged to be here at Jeff Jenks Law. It's a fantastic opportunity to learn and really do essentially what an attorney would do every single day with such great coaching and mentorship throughout. So,
go away.
Anyhow, so what is government relations? Jeff kind of touched on lobbying, and lobbying in and of itself sort of has a bad connotation. Many times people think of big bad corporations lobbying and basically paying for laws. Well, not only is the Indiana General Assembly our legislature, not only are they very receptive to lobbyists and more kind of homegrown grassroots type organizations, but certainly still have the ability to listen to their constituents via special interest groups, trade associations, much like our first client we have now for our government relations division, that is a collection of people who all pay dues to an organization who decides, also democratically amongst themselves, what important topics they want to see addressed. What kind of laws can we suggest to the legislators? They don't know, believe it or not, they don't know what we want until we tell them what we want. So that's exactly what we want to do. And that includes actually drafting legislation to submit to their office, setting up meetings with the legislators and their staff, knowing the ins and outs of how the whole process works and how the staff work with their legislators, senators, representatives. My background also includes working for the state in an executive branch agency for a United States congressman for several years as well. So really having those contacts and knowing how the relationships, not only how they work, but how to build them so that Jeff Jenks Law can be known as the go-to firm for especially real estate lobbying, but certainly can expand from there.
So, Tim, when you talk about helping a client represent all their different voices and whatnot, and they don't really, the congressmen and the legislators in the state, they don't know what we want necessarily.
Right.
So by the government relations division helps give a voice to a group of people, maybe hundreds of people, maybe thousands, but they can speak with a unified voice, and they can actually get to a committee person or a legislator that's in charge of a piece of legislation, not just, hey, I wrote an email, I was mad about something, and it's not going anywhere, right? If you want to get something done, you have to actually participate in the process and put forth a thoughtful proposal that makes sense, that is fair, and then work with those different parties. So really, I'm looking forward to giving a voice to people that haven't had one in the past. And maybe you're listening to this video right now because you'd like to have your voice heard in some way. We at the law firm are here to help you, whether that's on a case-by-case basis, one thing at a time, or if there's really like a more global type of thing with the legislation. That's what Tim's going to be doing, a part of his practice, and we're really happy. So give us a call at any time. Is there anything that you want to add on to that in conclusion, Tim?
Our goal is to be as focused as possible in our delivery and what our clients want, and translating that into some real success stories.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thanks.